Hello data people, welcome to Data Storytelling with Omoye. Today, I'll be doing a demo on how to create a new table on SQL Server Management Studio without coding. It's pretty easy. This user interface is very friendly. I'll be showing you the code lines on how to achieve that later, but first things first, you need to know the database where you want the table to be created in. For me, I want the table to be created in my company DB database. So go to the table option, right click, and then select the new, then table options. Then the next field you see will be the column names, data types, and allow. Column names are the names of the column you want to add to your table. Data types are the types of the type of data that the column contain, and the allow. Data type is far more deeper than the explanation I just gave you. In subsequent videos I will talk about data type, but today let's just stick to what we're doing. And allow means do you want to allow like an empty field in this or not. So here I want to add, I want to create a very simple table that contains the name, gender, and date of birth. So remember, every table have a unique ID, like a serial number, just to identify each record in the table. I want to add the ID. You can use any column name you like. For me, I just want to use the ID here, and then the data type here will be integer. Please pay attention to the data type you're assigning to a column. It's very important. The next thing, you go to the column properties to make this a primary key. The same thing your serial number will do for your normal table. It's the same thing this ID column is going to do for me. I already explained to you that I want it to be a unique identifier for every record in the table. Go to the ID look for the identity specification and make it yes, and select the yes option, and then select the identity increment. What this means is that it increases by 1. For instance, 1, 2, the next is going to be 3, and so on. So my next column is going to be name. Yeah, I think I like this, and then I don't want to allow no. Then gender. This, yes, this is fine. I don't want a null value there. And then DOB, date of birth. I want the dates. There are a lot of data types, so for me, I'm going to be selecting the date, and then I'm going to be allowing null value here. In real life, some people's date of birth are missing. In Africa, people's date of birth is a sensitive matter, so some people don't, especially ladies, they don't disclose their age. So, and then right click to save. This for you to save your data. So I want to call my table demo, so that's saved. So refresh all the options on the left hand panel to ensure your table is saved. So go under the table option, right click on the particular table we just created, the demo table. Here, select the edit top 200 rows. Yes, we are here. Go to name, Mary. You can start adding the field to the record, the values to the fields. Date of birth, let's say, okay, 2001, January, yes, 0101. Next field, oh god, Paul. Paul is a guy. Then 1999. Olivia. Olivia is a girl. Let's say 1980, 88. Oh, sorry. Oh, 04. Then Sammy. Sammy is a guy. 1994, December. Okay, that's nice. Then the last field for me will be Ade. Ade is a girl. 2003. Good. Okay. You can see that by the ID column increases by the row, so that I didn't even need to add any field to it. So now you can just close your tab and open new query environment to check if all the data are in in the table. Select from the demo table, and then voila, that's all my data. See, pretty easy. And now just to quickly show you the code that can also achieve this. So yes, we are here to achieve the same thing that we just did without even coding. These are the lines of code you need to use. So I'm going to explain quickly. To create a table, you use the create table statement. Then this is the name of the table I want to create. Remember, the table we created was demo, but here, because it's going to be conflicting information, so I'm going to use persons here. Name of table, my ID, the same ID, the unique identifier column I created is the ID. Then I assigned the integer data type to it. Then the name, first name, I assigned the varchar data type to it. The character please read on that. Gender, then the character data type. Then my last column would be date of birth. So this is the data type I assign to date of birth date. So okay, let me run this now so you can see. Command completed successfully. And then if I run everything, it's gonna run. So I just want to run it line by line so you can see what's happening. So to insert the first column, I am going to do insert into, this is a code to insert data into any column and into any table. Insert into the name of the table is persons, like we created, that we created. These are the name, these are the columns in the in the table. Then this is the unique identifier, name of person, Kane, male. Then this is how to enter, this is how to, there are a lot of ways to enter date formats into your table, but this is what I'm going to use for today. You can read on that. This this is a SQL format. There are a lot, but this is what I'm going to be using today. So line, from this line to the last, they are about the same, just different names and different dates of birth. Okay, I need to expand this so you can see what I'm doing. So I am going to be highlighting everything so I can run. See, now we are good. So all this has been affected. Here I'm going to open a new column, new query environment. So I just want to check if it's there. This is the line of code you need to use for that. From the persons table, yes, there we go. And pretty easy. You can do it without coding, you can do it with whichever one is comfortable for you, but to save time you can actually do it without the code. So until next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends, drop your comments. Bye.